All that nonsense about don't buy gaming chairs, it's a gimmick and you're an idiot if you do, is actually what pushed me to check them out for myself. To be honest, I used to be very biased about the gaming chairs. I always thought that spending big money on a flashy chair wasn't as practical as getting a regular ergonomic one. If I hadn't gotten this Martian Pro from DXRacer, I might never have tried a gaming chair in my life. So what makes it unique? In this video, I'll share my most genuine experience with it. I hope this review comes in handy for you. The chair comes in a huge box and is just as heavy as it looks. I'd definitely recommend having some extra help. That said, once you open it up, the parts are neatly organized and the instruction manual will guide you through in each step. Even the ports and connectors are labeled, which makes things way easier. As someone new to furniture assembly, I managed to put it together in about 25 minutes and it wasn't nearly as much of a hassle as I'd imagined. Once assembled, the chair's smart features immediately caught our attention, and rightfully so, since temperature control and comfort are the standout selling points. Let's start with the daily experience, how it feels to sit on it and how it handles temperature control. Right away, it felt noticeably different from clunky office chairs. We asked our colleague Holly to test it out. She was wearing thick pants that day, and within 5 seconds of turning on level 1 cooling, she said she picked up a faint breeze around her lower back and thighs. We ran a real-world test in a 26 degrees Celsius room. After sitting there for an hour, a regular office chair's seat hit 35 degrees Celsius, while the Martian Pro on level 2 cooling stayed steady at 28 degrees Celsius. That 4 to 6 degrees Celsius difference was a huge surprise. No sticky, hot feeling, and even after a full day, the seat stayed dry. No more sweaty, sticky gaming marathons guaranteed. This all comes down to its active cooling tech. If you are familiar with the model, you will know the 3-level adjustable ventilation seat is a Pro exclusive. Picture this, there are small fans hidden under the seats, paired with a honeycomb airflow layer, basically hundreds of tiny vents that spread air evenly. The fans push air through these holes, circulating evenly instead of blasting in one spot. Clever, right? It's a total game changer compared to standard chairs. On the flip side, it also has a 3-level heating for cold days, heats up in just 2 seconds with 3 temperature settings. It warms you up fast in winter, upping the comfort factor in a way ergonomic chairs just can't compete with. Beyond that, there isn't any pinch feeling you get with some other chairs. And the comfort doesn't stop at the seat. Its built-in back massager is a standout bonus for beating fatigue. The 8-point massage targets the key tension spot on the back with 6 vibration modes, all controlled by a single button. It really takes the edge off, keeping your back loose even after hours. Honestly, this chair checks all the boxes for me. It's comfortable, sturdy, and looks good too. Plus, I can recline it all the way back, crush a few rounds of gaming, then go for a quick nap whenever I want. Total game changer for me. It doesn't have that sink into cotton softness. The high-density material prioritizes support over that squishy feel, so it's a little on the firm side at first. But you get used to it after a couple of days, and the upside is that it won't sag or lose shape over time. Instead, it's got an electric reclining backrest that lets you dial in that perfect comfort zone. You can adjust it anywhere from 90 degrees to 135 degrees with a button on the left side, super easy. At 135 degrees, the backrest is almost flat. Pair it with the headrest, your head can rest naturally with your knees slightly higher than your hips. This slight bend feels totally natural for relaxing. I even napped in it for 30 minutes, no weird floating feeling in my lower back, which is huge. Only a tiny letdown, no footrest. If you want to fully stretch out at 135 degrees, your legs have to stay straight. Would have been even better with something to prop your heels on. At 90 degrees, the backrest forms a right angle with the seat, and there are 2 small airbags in the lower back. Hit the button and they puff out slowly. Feels like a soft hand cupping your lower back, no pressure. Whether you're leaning forward or sitting up straight, they will fill the gap between your back and the chair perfectly. Custom fit, basically. Huge upgrades from those chairs with a stiff, fixed lumbar pillows. I know some might wonder, is this truly ergonomic? Will it keep you in a healthy posture? Honestly, it outshines a lot of so-called ergonomic chairs. Take the 4D armrest with their quick swap tops, for example. They adjust up and down to match your desk height, slide forward and back so your elbows rest naturally, swivel left and right, and even shift side to side to fit different shoulder widths. Then there's the Smart AirTag lumbar support. Those two built-in airbags hug the curve of your spine. Tweak how much they inflate and they will fill exactly the gap between your lower back and the chair. Total personalized support, no guesswork. It takes a ton of pressure off your lower back. Pretty impressive, right? Another strength for the Martian Pro, the 5000 mAh lithium battery built in. It can support over 360 hours per charge. That's 2 full weeks of use. Save the trouble of charging it every other day. For heavier people, you may ask, can this chair hold up to my weight? I checked, it says it's built with automotive grade steel and certified by BIFMA. Think of that as the gold standard for furniture safety. The official max weight, 300 pounds, around 136 kilograms. For materials, there are 2 options, EPU leather or woven fabric. EPU leather is tougher than the average PU. We run a key through it, scrape it hard, nearly no scratch. Impressive. Beyond the basics, the Martian Pro has some human-centric details, starting with the headrest. The headrest has a magnet in it, so it clings to the backrest like glue. Twist it, move it, it stays put. The foam is soft enough that your head sinks in slightly, like a gentle support keeping your neck from straining during long screen time. No more constant readjusting. When you recline the backrest, a yellow LED strip lights up automatically. It gives your gaming corner that futuristic vibe. For me, the Martian Pro's smart temperature control and the comfort feature are total game changers. My back and legs stay way more relaxed than in regular chairs. From comfort to adjustability, battery life to durability, it checks all the boxes. Honestly, it's way more than a gaming chair. It's a Swiss Army knife of seats. Support while you're working, crash for a nap, get rid of the sweat while gaming, or watch shows in the living room. Whatever you want to do, it works. Alright, there's a link for you to know more about it. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.